today I've got a little unboxing video for you. We're going to be unboxing the subwoofer that's going to be going into the Mitsubishi Mirage. So if you want to see that, stick around, check it out. I'm unboxing the subwoofer that's going to go into that box. So it is going to be the Peirce Audio 4K, their 4K RMS model. So I dropped off the subwoofer I'm going to be putting in my car. So we have our assistant here. This is my girlfriend's daughter, Ava. She's going to open it and then we're going to pull it out and see what it is. There. So
they gave us some stickers.
Yeah.
One looks like this.
So that tells you guys what's in this box. Peirce Audio. All right, so let's take a look at it. Go ahead and pull that plastic off.
Whoa.
Oh yeah. Look at that. So that's the 15-inch model, the 4,000 watt RMS, Peirce Audio. I know all of their parts are made in USA, in shop. And look at that dust cap. Holy cow. Okay, so.
Whoa, that's cool.
Holy cow. Let's move that out of the way.
Get this box out of here.
Okay.
Gave you a lot of stickers.
Let's take a look at that. So they have it screwed in like it's in a box, and they literally put it in a box made out of plywood. So about the sturdiest packing box I've ever seen.
That's how good they want it.
Okay, when I pull this out, can you move that box out of the way?
Yeah. Oh, that was kind of. So that's cool.
Yeah, it is cool.
I'm gonna put this in the box. I'm just gonna. This is really nice, guys.
Very nice. Yeah. I'm gonna be slapping. All right. Okay, so now that we have that subwoofer pulled out of the box, let's take a little closer look at it. So you can see it's got a pretty thick surround. I like that. That feels nice and beefy. And then really cool looking dust cap. Again, really dense feeling, very substantial and stiff. Like I can barely push on this. Like it's gonna take all of my 5,000 watt amp, I think, to get that moving. And so then we look in here. That's a 4-inch coil, 4-inch, 4-layer, I believe, copper. It's got the, let's see, I'm kind of reading off the cheat sheet here. It's got 10-inch progressive spider. Again, really thick, really, oh, what am I saying? Strong. Like that is, I can barely push on that. I went with the direct leads. I believe these are 8 gauge OFC. I really like that. One thing I'm not so sure about, maybe this matters, maybe it doesn't, is these leads are not sewn in. Again, I don't know if that makes a difference, but they just go straight from the terminal here, whatever you want to call it, and then into the cone there, and then the voice coil you can see right there, those leads. So these are dual voice coil, dual 1 ohm. So I'm gonna wire this at a 1/2 ohm. And I had to ask for that specifically. They don't build them like that on the website. I just sent Peirce Audio an email, and they made it that way for me. Now I went with the Neo. All of the pictures of their subs on the website have neodymium magnets, but they will build this in a ferrite version as well, I believe. One thing I really liked about this particular company was everything's made in-house. So I'll put up a picture, a screenshot from their website, but they machine the magnets in-house. They wind the coil in-house. This is hand-built by Peirce Audio. So, you know, my understanding is this subwoofer was built basically from scratch, handmade in the United States, which I can appreciate that. That's one reason that I went with this company. One thing I will say is there was quite a lot of delay. Their website says the lead time is 4 to 6 weeks. This took more like 6 to 8 weeks, which, you know, whatever. For a custom hand-built sub, I'm not going to be real picky about that. But it didn't come with any information. I had this subwoofer built specifically with the low FS option. And when the subwoofer came to me, it had no info, no box specs, no TS parameters, no nothing. So I emailed the guy and said, hey, can I get the TS parameters on this? Didn't hear back for like 2 or 3 weeks, to the point that I was getting pretty frustrated about it. But anyway, we got it all straightened out. He said their testing material or their testing machine was down, but hey man, just shoot me an email, you know, that doesn't take much. Anyway, whatever, that's not a big deal. But if I had to have one complaint about this process here, it would be that. This basket also, they describe this as a 6-spoke long throw. So I know the X-Max is 25 millimeters and the mechanical limit is 100 millimeters pole to pole with an FS of 27 Hertz. So this thing should hit the low notes pretty well, which is what I was wanting. So here are those TS parameters. Again, I just wrote these down because he emailed them to me. I really kind of feel like these should have came with the subwoofer, but you know, whatever, that's not a big deal. So it looks like we got a FS of 27, which is what I was wanting. I ordered it specifically with the low FS. And that should even go a little lower once I break in this sub a little bit. You see X-Max here, 25 millimeters. Now I just wrote these down from the email, right? Obviously this is my handwriting, but these are the specs that he emailed to me. So all in all, it looks really nice. I'm really happy with it. It looks really heavy duty and really well made. So I'm gonna be pairing this with a Taramp Smart 5K. And this says this is conservatively rated at 4,000 watts RMS, or that's what the website says. So this should handle that 5K no problem. Anyway, there it is, Peirce Audio 4,000 watt RMS series, neodymium magnet, custom low FS dual 1 ohm direct leads. That's what it looks like.